welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on a warm sort of peachy smoky eye. I have the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette here. This one I've used quite a bit and it's just kind of got lost in my drawer, so I thought I would pull it out and have a little play with it today. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys in so you can see it a little bit closer. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids. So I'm using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is almost empty, so I don't know if I should buy a different eyeshadow primer to try or if I should continue to use the same one. I also have like that Dewy one in there too, but I don't know, I just like to have options. Alright, so we've got our eyelids all primed. Now we're gonna go straight into the palette. I'm gonna use this shade here called Peaches and Cream just to set my like eyelid and up to the brow bone. I love the smell of the peach palette. It smells so good. I just started doing the Beauty Chef Gut Guide. It's like you can buy the gut primer and it's meant to help with like if you have leaky gut or if you have like bloating, things like that, just to strengthen and heal the stomach. I get like mega bloated and it doesn't, I have to, like, I'm meant to eat gluten-free. Sometimes I treat myself, but you gotta have those cheat days. You gotta have them treat yourself days. So the next color we're gonna go into is this shade here called Georgia. So yeah, the gut primer, you take it once a day and it's like a powder that kind of tastes like berries. But there's 4 different stages of the gut guide. I won't go into it too much because I'm going to make a vlog on it. So if you guys are interested in more of like that wellness sort of side of things and like food, definitely wait for those to come out. But yeah, I hope that it works well for me. I'm gonna document my sort of journey with it to see how I go, what I'm eating and all of that. And then also hopefully that helps me to be a little bit more like strict with everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the shade Puree and I'm gonna take that on the outer corner of my eye and then pull that into the crease. I'm just going back in with that first color just to diffuse the edges. So next I'm going to go in with this shade here called Just Peachy. It's like a really pretty sort of shimmery color. I might wet my brush a little bit with this, so I'm just going to spray some of the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Yeah, that makes the color like way more pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna deepen the outer corner of my eye just a touch. To do that, I'm gonna use this shade here called Summer Yum. And I'm just gonna press the brush, like I'm picking it up on like the flat side. That makes no sense. But I'm just kind of pressing it on the outer corner where I want it to be darkest. And then I'll go in and blend it out a little bit. You can see how that just adds like a little bit more depth. Okay guys, so we have our eyeshadow done from the top up. I'm just gonna add a little bit of inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use this shade here called Luscious. Luscious Lids. Just in the inner corner. Love a good inner corner highlight. Beaut. Alrighty, so for my lash line, I'm gonna pop a little bit of the Marc Jacobs highliner just right at the lash line. Then I'm gonna use a small smudge brush and go back into that darker shade there called Summer Yum, and then I will smoke it out. So you can see that's just add a little bit of extra definition to the lash line there. Okay, so we've got that done. I'm gonna add some mascara and then I'm gonna put my foundation on off camera because I feel like it's like a little bit boring because I just put the same thing on. And then when I come back, we will do like blush and highlight and all of that fun stuff. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've got my foundation and brows done. For primer today, I use the Marc Jacobs Coconut Face Primer. And then for my foundation, I use the It Cosmetics CC Cream in the shade Fair. And then I use the Ka-Brow and the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit for my brows. And I've just set like my under eye and sort of like my T-zone area with some powder. And now we are going to contour and highlight. So for contour today, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Tantour again. This is in the shade Fair. And it does look quite dark, so a lot of people I feel like will get scared off by how dark it looks, but it does blend really easy. I like how like natural this looks once it's on. Okay, so we have a very natural looking contour on. Now I'm gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna use a cream highlight and then we might top it off with a powder one too. So I'm gonna use this little cute thing. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight in the shade Champagne Pop. And I'm gonna put it on like that and then use my Dirty Beauty Blender that I used to apply my foundation and press that in. Like, I think this looks so pretty. Like, I love glowy skin. Okay, so we've got the cream products down. Now I'm gonna go over with a little bit of powder highlight and then a little bit of bronzer and some blush. All right, so for highlight today, we are going to use the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia. Like, it's so pretty. I hope they bring this highlight back again. It's so nice. Very glowy skin today. Now for bronzer. So for bronzer today, I'm going to be using the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. This one here, like, it's not shimmery, but it kind of has like it's not like flat matte either. I'm so excited to go make my lunch soon. I'm gonna make a fennel and chive soup. And then I need to go get some stuff, like a couple more things to make what I want for dinner. And then I also have that for my work lunches. So if you do want to see what I end up eating throughout this gut guide journey, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So for blush, I'm going to be using the Galifornia from Benefit. It just looks like this. So when you first get this blush, it does have like a gold sort of overspray over it, but once you use it a couple times, it goes away. Which I don't know why companies do overspray. But like, it looks pretty, but then it's like not in there anymore. So it's a very monochromatic, glowy goddess look today. Okay, so now we're gonna finish off my eyes. I'm gonna take a smudge brush and go back into the Sweet Peach palette. Let's go into this shade here called Candied Peach. This one here is just kind of like a peachy color, but it has a little bit of glitter throughout it. It's like it's got a matte base though. Love it! The smell of this palette just makes me happy. And also makes me want a Bellini, but that's another story. I'm just using a brush now and going over the edges of my eyeshadow to make sure everything is nice and blended. Okay, I'm just gonna re-intensify that inner corner highlight just a little bit and carry it kind of down onto the lower lash line. Much better. Now we are going to add some lower lash mascara. And for that, I'm going to be using the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. I just very lightly graze my lower lashes because I feel like if I put too much mascara on them, they look like spider legs. Okay, so now we just have to add a lip color. So for lips, I've decided I'm going to go in with the Nars lip gloss, and this is in the shade Orgasm. The blush in this color, like the blush with the same color from Nars, is so nice as well. So now all we have left to do is just to set our face. I'm going to be using same setting spray I always use, Cover FX Dewy Finish. I love to glow. So that is it, guys. That is the end of the video. If you've tried any of the Too Faced eyeshadow palettes before, what one is your favorite? They like always come out with new ones all the time. But the peach palette, I would say, would have to be one of my favorites from them. For the smell, but also I really love the colors that are in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you leave for more content, and stay tuned for updates on the gut primer from the Beauty Shift, as well as following the gut guide recipes. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, whatever you are doing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.